Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ashanae here, and I'm back with another video. I feel like I ain't talked to y'all in so freaking long. Sorry if it feels echoey in here because I just moved, so I low-key don't have the furniture. Also, if you hear the train is like low-key 2 blocks away. You could really hear it because it's really quiet in this area. But anyway, I miss you guys so much. I know I've been MIA low-key. I've been MIA, like low-key. And I just had to get back into my creativity, my juices, my flow. And I feel like I'm back, like slowly but surely. So I came up with this look right here. Like last night, I don't know what happened. I was in my bed and then boom, this look just popped up in my head. I was like, yo, I have to create it. So that's what I did. And I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Now, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Also, I will be doing a giveaway. Okay, I'm doing a giveaway. Like, I'm giving back. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I love you guys so much, and see you guys soon. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover. Yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover, but I feel like I ain't talked to y'all in so long, so we're just having a little conversation right now. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Now starting off with the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights eyeshadow base and blueprint. I'm just gonna put that on my eye first, just so that light blue can just pop. Then I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics palette Bubble Gum, and I'm going into that light blue, and we're gonna just put that all over. Now going in with the It's My Rivers Part 2 palette. I'm going to go into that blue at the bottom, and we're going to just put that next to the baby blue because we want this to be a nice blue ombre effect. Now going in with the Carity palette, I'm going to go into the black, and we're going to just smoke out the rest of that chateau and make it look very sharp. Also, I'm just going to clean it up after I put on the black shadow because obviously it looks crazy right now. But once I clean it up with concealer, it's going to look so amazing and super like perfect. Jumping into the face, we're going with the Hangover Too Faced primer. Then we're going to go with the Too Faced 24-hour matte foundation, and then we're going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer because we're doing Too Faced today, period. For another primer, we're going with the Milk Makeup Grip Primer. Like, so fire, you have to get this. Then I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer to get rid of them pores, child. I just want to say shout out to my boyfriend for like video bombing me. set our concealer, we're going with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and the shade Honey. I love this freaking powder. Yes, it's low-key expensive, but it's so worth it. Trust me. If you ain't go try it, like, I don't know what you're doing. Like, I'm tired of giving y'all gems and you're not listening to me. I low-key was just only gonna do the dark blue at the bottom and then put the light blue, but I was like, you know what we did on the top, we're gonna do at the bottom, and it came out so amazing and super perfect. This powder though from NYX Cosmetics, like, y'all need to go get it. Has anybody else tried it besides me? Like, I don't know nobody else that really tried this powder, so can y'all let me know if y'all tried it? Now I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe Continuing Spray, which is a fire. I'm gonna highlight, do my lips, and then yeah, we is low-key done. Okay guys, you made it to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. If you like this look, like, let me know down below. Like, did you like it? Should I do different colors, different ombre colors? Like, let me know, because this came out so fire. Woo, child. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking with me through my tough time, because I really couldn't get it together. And if you don't know, I do have videos on it. I will link it in the description box, and I will have it pop up in the cards. I love you guys so much. And don't forget to come back, share this video, like, so my videos will get through in the algorithm. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Okay, don't forget to link down below to my oil, my hair growth oil. We got 10 different oils. We got Ayurvedic powders. I have a video on that as well, and the link to my website will be in the description box. Yes, I have a website now. And show some love, support. Follow me on my Instagram, my business page, all that good stuff. I see you guys in my next video. Laters.